Hi there. We've just received the delivery of the BandSpec Accessory Box. Now, if you're like me, I'm not the most organised person when it comes to my piping accessories, and I'm sure my pipe case looks very similar to a lot of folks out there. I'll give you a quick peek. Don't look too closely, but here we go. I have all my accessories in here, and I know for a fact when I go looking for something, I probably spend the best of 4 or 5 minutes trying to find it, whether it's rubber stoppers or, you know, just hemp, a roll of hemp, black hemp, hidden somewhere in here, and it's not the best situation. So I've given myself a task. I'm going to get organised, so I'm going to get all my accessories out and get them organised in this box here. So this is an accessory box full of goodies, and what I'll do is I'll just unpack it to give you an idea of what you can actually fit into this box. There we go. So a lot of stuff. We have the cleaning brushes, a reed knife, some board oil, some of the white PTFE tape, some hemp tape, some hygiene spray, the reed fix, some tie-zip, and a spare blowpipe valve. This tool here for your chanter holes, some cable ties, should have in your box, pencil, just a cleaner here for your chanter, multi-tool knife, handy to have, some additional ear protection. I have a reed protector, some rubber bands for your reeds, practice chanter reeds or whatever, some absorbers, reed absorbers, and then I have my, I'm a bit of a softie I suppose, have my mouthpiece protectors, a bunch of them, and I have my rubber stoppers, the larger ones for when I need to check the air tightness in my bag, and some of the smaller rubber stoppers just if I need to shut off a drone. So all of that fits into this box here. Might not be the same accessories that you have, but you can see you can fit a fair bit of stuff in here. So go off, clean up your bagpipe case, and if you need a box to fill it with, then we have one for you here. Hi, so I'm back. I went away, cleaned up my case, just show you now. So well organised. All I have left in these pockets here is my spare set of drone reeds, chanter reeds. I've kept them in a separate box. I have my tuner that I need on a regular basis, and on this side I have my my ear protection that I use when I play. And all my accessories are now in the accessory box in this compartment here. So fantastic. So if I need to find anything, just pull out the accessory box, open it up, and it's all there laid out for me. So well organised now, I feel happy.